Hi on. So today I welcome you on my channel codingmente.com. So here we are in the continuation with our day 11 with our series 50 days 50 Python programs. So every day I am giving you one simple program to do in Python along with the coding that how we can do that program. So this is just for absolute beginners who want to learn Python and want to learn from scratch. So today this is the 11th day and the problem statement for this is that how to check if string is a number in Python. It means let's suppose a user has input some string or some value through input method. That means we took some input from the user using input method in Python. So we need to check that whatever the input entered by user is a number or not. So this is what we are going to do in today's video. So let's get started with our coding part. So for that, we need to create one Python file. As we all know that we can create a Python file by giving a file name with .py extension. Okay. So the first thing is we need to take an input from the user. So we will be writing input entered will be equal to input. As we all know, I had previously discussed in numerous videos that if you have taken the input from the user, it will be by default in the string format. So let's take the input from the user, enter the string to be checked. So we will pop up this message to user to take the input that please enter a string that we need to check. Then input entered. Now the next step is we will be using the if loop. If then input entered, whatever the input entered by the user dot is digit. That means if it is a number, then print success, else print failure. So let's see what will happen. Okay, so now we need to go to command prompt so that we can have our we can take the input from the user. We will be using CMD. Now we need to, as we all know, we can run the Python file by writing Python space, then the file name. Here in my case, it is program11.py. So now the input has to be entered by the user. So let's suppose I'm writing 1, 2. Okay, so 12 is a number. So it has been printed success. Let's run it again. This time we will give something else. Let's suppose I'm giving AS123. Let's see what will happen. Okay, there was some command line error. Okay. Okay, we will run the code again. Now AS123. So it is a failure because it has some string also. If the value entered is only numeric, then it will return success. Otherwise, it will return false. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are all numbers. And if a string is containing only numbers, then only it will return success. Otherwise, it will return failure. So this is how we can check a string is numeric or not. Okay. So this is all for us. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Coding Mente, and so that you can get a notification every day for every new program that we will be discussing. Thank you.